actually now, based on what you said, I will be entering. I don't want the position to get. I don't want to go out of the position. So I will show you now. I will enter now. I will explain the reason why I'm entering now. So I will sell now. I'll sell again. I don't want to make my loss. Actually, as you can see from the last entry, the reason why I I choose to enter or to take my position, or the reason why I'm still maintaining the position is that number one, if you want to know if some three reasons why you can just decide to take spike or before you can take spike, these are the following reasons. You zoom into the last level. Once you zoom into the last level, I will be showing you some things here. Now look at, oh goodness, no. I don't intend to use that though. I don't intend to do that. Okay, let me just add another one. So here, look at that. Look at the area here. In this area, you can see that the movement of those green and all the situation are happening above. All those situations are happen. They are all happening around the 90 and 80 and 90 level. You can see that. So that means there is a there is a barrier holding the position there. So if you want to truly confirm the position, what you just need to do is just go to, so just you just see another spike just happened now. That's another spike. That's it. Let's go and check the what's it called? Go and check the entry. You can see that's the entry. That is, I can decide to close it and I can decide to take my money as well. It's as easy as that. So now let me show you the reasons why something is like that. In fact, you can see the 15-minute time frame sees the level is now the moving average on the confirmator below here is now around above 90. Is above 90. As you can see, it is above 90. That is it. It is above 90. Come to 15-minute time frame as well. Actually, I mean 5-minute time frame. You can see 5-minute time frame. What is happening? The whole story that is happening in 15 minutes time frame, you can see, is also happening in 10-minute time frame. I mean in 15-minute time frame. Do well to understand what I'm trying to show you. I'll be very happy if you can just make it the same way I'm making it happen. You can see that is the same way I used to. That is the same logic that I used to catch spike. You can see it has gone into this level. It is now in level of 90 and 80 on both 15-minute time frame and as well as 5-minute time frame and as well as 1-minute time frame. Hope you are getting it. Hope you are just now. This is 1-minute time frame. This is 1-minute time frame. So now I can decide to buy some candles here, but I will not try and risk it. Hmm? But because of I don't want to joke with my own money. I don't want to joke with my own money because this is just a case study, and so far it is case study as well. It is also a serious matter because you will be making use of this strategy, and I don't want to give you a situation where I will have to crash my money and you two have to crash it, so we don't have to crash our money together. So I just want all to understand. I want everyone to understand. So now I will take. Let me take a buy for just 3 to 4 candles here. 3 to 4 candles. I'll be taking 3 to 4 candles. Taking 3 to 4 candles. So now, actually, this is not right, and I will close it. this is not right. I will tell you the reason why it is not right. Let me close the trade. Let me close the trade. Let me close the trade. Let me close it up. Let me close it up. So the reason, another factor. Let me just go back to where you can catch spikes very well. How to catch spikes. I've demonstrated that is number one reason how I catch spike. Number two, how do you know if a downtrend wants to is about to start? Is about to start or downtrend. Number one, if the let me show you here. You can see that's another spike. You see, that is another spike. I told you that is just another big spike. You can see that is just the truth about it. I will tell you the reason why. Thank God I am out of it. I told you we don't joke with things. Now I can take some buy now. Let me buy some few candles now. I'm buying 3 positions now. Now because this is a serious downtrend. This is now a downtrend. I just hope you understand you're getting my emphasis. Now, how do I know? Why is it that I'm able to know to distinguish if there will be a downtrend or a long trend, or there will be spike coming or there won't be spike coming? How did I know about that? Now, here's it. The Once you find that the bearish candle, that means the black candle has crossed, is big enough to cross the black moving average. Let me show you the black moving average. Just try and this is the black moving average. You can see the black once the the black candle crosses below the blue, the black moving average. As you can see, a black moving average here. This is a black moving average, and it crosses. The moment it crosses enough, very a big one, not just a small one, a big one like this, just like this. Downtrend is about to begin. It started from here, but this position is meant for a long trend. If you want to open a long position, but if you're not opening a long position, don't attempt it, because by the time you all will maintain this position, some people who have small accounts would have been gone, their money would have been gone by then before a serious downtrend begins. So let's check you can see now. That is it. That is it. I still have my position moving. I still have my condition moving. Check your time frames. Your time frame is check the time frame. Test each time frame. I will still analyze the short understanding for you to understand how I deal with the time frame as well. The time frame is the one giving me the correct levels. I'm not deciding on 1 minute time frame alone. I'm not deciding on 1 minute time frame alone. I'm deciding on both 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. I'm deciding on those three to know what to do on 1 minute time frame. So now, if the reddish candle crosses below to the extent that this, please just understand it. See, once this last pink, let me zoom in. This last pink, uh, moving average, once it crosses this purple one, this purple, let me use an arrow so that you can get what I'm trying to. Once it crosses this purple, it's getting serious now. It's getting serious, just like the way. So that's another way for you to know if a downtrend is beginning or not. Now I should be closing. I should be closing now because it can it can be dangerous. And moreover, I think I'm getting some tubes here as well, but it is dangerous because it's a downdrain. Downdrain. So my phone can automatically switch off anytime from now. I hope you understand this. Just make sure, number one, confirm from the 5 minute time frame and 15-minute time frame. Look at this line now. I'll be taking it back to 15-minute time, 5 minute time frame and 15 minutes so that you can confirm. Let me close the trade. Close it up. So there it is. So hope you are getting it. You can still open your position to catch spike here as well. But before you decide that, now I will be taking another position to take spike again. Since I'm getting ready to take spike, so I will take spike here. Why would I want to take spike here? I may not be able to record long again because of this. I don't want this video to shut down. So let me sell here. Sell to why is it that I'm deciding or I'm choosing to do this? The reason why I'm doing this is because I already checked my 5 minute time frame and it is telling me that it is either the candles are now very close to this purple moving average, this one on 5 minutes time frame. Let's see. You can see the candle has crossed the wave. The candle has crossed the wave. I mean, the candle has crossed the tide. It has crossed the tide. So now the candle is about to break between the support and the resistance level. This is acting as a support. This is acting as the support level. This is acting as the support level. It's acting as a support level. And I'm very sure now because the candle has break below. The candle has seriously break below this tide, the 3 pink moving average. It has break below to the extent that the black moving average, you can see, let me zoom in. The black moving average is about to cross below, is about to cross the last moving average. So I'm going to take my position now. For the last time, I will be taking the position. I'll be taking the position now. So I'll sell again. Okay, I already took. So let me go back before the phone ends. So before my recorder knocked me, before my phone shut down because of the size of the video. So as you can see the position, everything is now into places. It's simple. That is just how you make your shit out of your money. Simple. If there is an adage in my culture that says when you know how to deal with shit, you deal with it good, real good. You can see that's your profit. That's your profit. I'm gonna close the trade now. I'm gonna close it now. I'm gonna close it now. Yeah. I'm gonna close it now. I'm gonna close it now. Yeah, yeah. It's me in the building. It's me. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm not surprised in a way. I'm not surprised. Yeah. Because those are the way we deal with things. You can see just right now the highest lot size I have is just 0.2 lot size. You can see that's how awesome this strategy is. So that's it. You can see it's 1.2 lot size. You can see right here itself. That's it. More. You can have more. So now let's go back to the chart and let me explain some few things so that you can understand. Now you can see this is 5 minute time frame. You can see I told you before my phone shut down. I said the my my strategy is a boom one. You can see number one, what you need to confirm before you enter for spike. There will be actually the fact about this is that there will still be spike. But before there is spike, this is 15 minute time frame. We still need like two to three candles. This is the second candle. We need like 4 candles before there is spike again. So before you can just decide to go in again, you take a time before you go into to take spike in. And why did I decide to take spike in this position? Not this is not try by error, or this is not magical. I guess I didn't guess. Why is it that I'm able to make it just like that? You may think, is it that easy? There are some reasons behind it. Number one, I confirmed from my time frames. 5 minute time frame. From air, this is where the whole story began. Here. This is where the whole story began. The moment I saw that this black moving average is crossing the tide, the pink, the tide. This is the tide. This four moving average, the pink and the red. But though the red is not really part of it, but I just need to add it to it so that you can have a total. You can have a total support and level on support level, mini support level, and serious support level. So now, once the candle crosses below, that means you are having a situation for what? For the conditions. Now you need to start waiting. You need to start waiting for the candle to start moving. Since the candle has crossed below the red moving average here, then you should be expected because the downtrend is about to begin then. You understand? Now let's go to 1 minute time frame. Let me give you a sign of where I'm trying to talk about, where I'm referring to here. So see here, the mouth of that arrow. Let's see where it is on 5 minute time frame. You can see this is where the mouth is. That means it has crossed below the tide on 1 minute time frame. Then you see, if you don't have enough profit, on your trade in your account, this whole candle will have taken your money out. But thanks to God again, another miracle happened as planned. You see, that's it. If you know how to deal with it, you will handle it real good. If you know how to deal with it, you can handle it real good. If you know how to deal with it, you can. I'll predict the next movement of the spike here. The spike is going to cross the tide here, but before it crosses, or slightly after it crosses the purple moving average, this purple moving average, let me try and make it, let me touch it so that you understand. The purple moving average here, if it crosses slightly, once the candle crosses it slightly, there will be spike. If it doesn't happen, immediately it crosses the tide moving average. Hope you're getting my point of emphasis. I hope you are getting it. So that it is as simple as that. So easy. Check the time frame. I told you earlier, once you see that it is happening just the way it is here, the spike has crossed the tide on time 1 minute time frame. Check 15 minute 5 minute time frame. What is happening as well? The tide has also crossed below the middle what's it called? The middle tide. That means between the three pink moving average. The three pink moving average, the tide has crossed in between, is now in between the last and the first. So in between. So that is where the spike up. That's why you can have more spike. I told you there will be soon be spike. Watch out. I can give you the screenshot if you want to see. So that is it. Um if you have any question, don't forget the first instance. Number one, I zoomed in. When I zoomed in, I could see that there is cases happening here. I could see that cases is happening around here in the conformator below. You can use Reaper strategy down in the conformator below here. You can see everything are now happening around 90, and you can see there is a cliff. There's many rejection here. Go to 5 minute time frame. The same thing is happening there, and you are also having the same situation on 1 minute time, on 5 minute time frame. After that, then look at how the candle, the black candle, the downtrend candle, is reacting towards the tide. Once it crosses the tide, once the candle crosses the tide, once the crosses the tide, and you are having the downtrend, I mean, all the movements around the green and the black in the conformator are above 90, and they are in the range of 80 and 90. My brother, my sister, just do well to take your spike. That's it. The condition that I told you is still there on 1 minute time frame as predicted. You can see, as predicted, my prediction is still correct here. It's not even it's still correct. It is correct. It will be correct, accurately correct. If you enter right now, it may take a little before the spike happens. It may take a little before the spike happens, and it will happen in between the purple moving average, the purple here, and the pink. So if it doesn't happen right here, once the candle crosses the pink, it will happen once it crosses the purple here. The moment it crosses the purple, in between the third and the fourth candle, in between the second and the fourth candle, there will be spike. Let me show you some instance again. You see here. You see? That's it. You see? You see? You see? You see? That's just it. That's it.